Let's go from this to this. I'm going to start applying some. Ooh. What? So I'm applying white to certain areas of my face. And this is definitely a trust the process type of moment. I swear, with the amount of blending that I do, I'm going to have some strong arms. Blending is hard work. Now I'm going to start adding that blue. Put some here. Let the blending begin. Drawing a line right down the center of my Cupid's bow. You're going to do a line coming out and curl it upwards. Guys, what's your favorite animal? Adding pink to the nose. I'm going to start creating the cheetah spots. I really want to make these leopard spots stand out, so I'm just going over them with a little bit of that white. Let's give our cheetah some eyeshadow. Add in a little bit of blush. Add some freckles, wing eyeliner, and some whiskers. Stick on some really big lashes. I'm going to finish up painting my body. I'll be right back. Here's the end result. To be honest, I don't know if I like it very much. Maybe I should have just stuck to doing it exactly like how she did it. I know you guys will be super honest with me, so what do you think? Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I'll see you guys on the next one.